So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the top 4 affordable moisturizers which are best for oily and combination skin type. I'm going to take you briefly through all those moisturizers which I have tried and tested. I hope it will be helpful for you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So the first moisturizer in the moisturizers category, the Pond's Light Moisturizer. It has been seen through all of my videos now, all of the makeup videos which I make. I have used this so much. I'll show you. Only hardly anything is left in the corners. It gives light moisturization. Also, it helps re-energize, hydrate your skin. So this is my favorite moisturizer. It is best for combination oily skin types. You should go for this moisturizer. It is really nice. I have said this in my many of my videos now, and yeah, you should go for this. This moisturizer retails for 210 rupees. This is the bigger dabba. You will get a smaller dabba also. It will be around 100 rupees. So the next moisturizer here is the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer, which is the second in the moisturizers category. It has been favorite of me from years now, and definitely you should go for this. It dissolves, it melts in your skin beautifully, in your skin without giving any stickiness, without giving any tackiness on your skin. And also this moisturizer is like most of you have been knowing about this moisturizer, and it has been favorite of many. So it's like a boon for all the combination and oily skin type people. Definitely go for the Nivea Vitamin E Soft Light Moisturizer. It retails for 110 rupees for 75 ml of product. It's like the daily hydration you need. This moisturizer gives it perfectly. So without thinking much, you should definitely go for this one. So the third moisturizer here is the Johnson's Milk Plus Rice Cream. I know this is for babies, but if you are scared to use another moisturizers and you are looking for a mild moisturizer which will not cause any harm to your skin, if you are thinking that other moisturizers can harm your skin, definitely you should try this. And this moisturizer retails for 80 rupees for 50 grams of product. You can use a bigger tube of this. As per your convenience, you can use the bigger tube of this, and this is the smaller tube. Just for a trial I bought this. Definitely get another one. So I'll swatch the moisturizer on my hand and show you. It melts in your skin really nicely. It's really watery consistency. It absorbs quickly and also gives a nice moisturizing look, moisturize and plump skin after the use of this. And the fragrance is wow. The fragrance is mild. You know the Johnson's products smell so nice. I love their fragrances. Definitely a good option for a mild moisturizer. Try and let me know how this moisturizer worked for you in the comment section. So last but not the least, the moisturizer which I have is this aloe vera gel from Patanjali, and it's really nice. It's a lightweight formula which absorbs in your skin really nicely, and you know it has several uses. It also good when you use it before your face shaving. You have to apply this all over your skin, and then you can remove your facial hair. And definitely it's a really good option. So I have all the moisturizers which I have shown is definitely really nice for nation and oily skin type. Definitely all the moisturizers are worth it, and they are affordable as well. And yeah, about this moisturizer, I have used it in several ways for my hair, for my skin. Basically use this before my face shaving, and also I sometimes use this when I feel I need a very light moisturization, not a heavy one like the Pond's one or the Nivea one. A very light moisturization I need for my skin, I definitely go for this aloe vera gel. Let me know how our moisturizers worked for you, definitely in the comment section. So this was a short and sweet video about all the four moisturizers which I have, and they are literally worth their money, and also they are quite affordable. You can definitely go for this, and so let me know in the comment section if any of these have worked for you and this review was helpful for you guys. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.